Did you know the microwave oven exists because of a mistake? In 1945, while working on radar technology, engineer Percy Spencer noticed a melted chocolate bar in his pocket and realized microwaves could cook food. This serendipitous event inspired him to create the first microwave oven, which initially stood as tall as a refrigerator. As Spencer refined his design, the microwave revolutionized cooking, morphing from industrial kitchens to a household staple. Imagine discovering a culinary powerhouse in such an unexpected way. What other secrets might be hiding in plain sight, waiting to transform our daily lives?